Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. In this episode, I'm bringing you guys our next times 10 stock. Yes, this stock is not only gonna double, triple, or quadruple, it's going to 10x in the near future. I'm gonna tell you guys what stock this is and why I think it's gonna go up. I'm gonna give you guys some good plays in this video. I'm gonna give you guys the entry point. Yes, this stock has been skyrocketing over the last few weeks, but it's not too late to get in, especially since it's gonna 10x. But I'm gonna tell you guys what entry points are great times to enter. So make sure that you stick through all the way to the end of this video so you guys can have the setup for you to make some money today. But before we dive into this video is brought to you by Webull. Sign up now by clicking the link down in the description, deposit $100, and now you can receive four free stocks just by depositing $100 into Webull. Once you deposit $100 and get your 4 free stocks, you could keep them in there or you could withdraw your 4 free stocks out. It's literally free money. And just the other day, I got a free Facebook stock from Webull. Yes, a free Facebook stock that's over $200 in value. I just kept it in there, but I am able to withdraw it. It is free money, so don't miss out on this great opportunity for 4 free stocks. But enough talking, let's go ahead and dive straight into this video so that you guys can find out what stock is going to 10x in the near future. That, just like I said on SBE, don't miss out on this great stock right here as well. Let's go ahead and dive straight into the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any future videos, and hit that notification buttons. I found out that is the most important thing that you can do to support this channel. Right now, we're at 3,600 people that have hit the notification bell. Once we reach 5,000 people that hit the notification bell, I'm gonna do a major giveaway on this channel. So make sure that you hit that notification bell. But enough talking, let's dive straight into this video. Welcome back, dreamers. Here we are on my Robinhood account. The stock that we're going to talk about is LCA, which is going to replace Golden Nugget online gambling, ticker symbol GNOG. It's going to replace it soon. In fact, they're having a meeting on December 18th at 10:30 a.m. to decide when is going to be the date that they switch over to Golden Nugget online gambling. We're going to get into all the stats, but let's go ahead and dive into my Robinhood account right quick. LCA was up 18% in a given day just from that news alone. In the month, they're up 79%. I know you guys are like, dang, did I miss out on a good buying opportunity for this stock? Well, we started buying in when I first posted the video. Let's see when I think I told you guys start buying in at $13. It's not gonna fall back down to $13. I'm sorry guys, but I'm gonna give you a setup at the end of this video. Okay, we bought 10 shares at $13.84. So we got in at $13. That is an amazing play that we got in. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button if you got in at $13 with me. But it's not too late for us to get in on this play. Right now, I am up to 41 shares with the average cost of $15.71. Market value is $970. And I am up $319.05. I am up 48%, but let's just call that 49. I am up 49%, almost 50% on this company from when I first posted a video about LCA, Golden Nugget online gambling. Yes, I'm sorry guys, it's not gonna fall back to $13, but it is gonna have a pullback, and I'm gonna give you some price points on some good entry points to enter in on LCA before the announcement or before the news comes out after their meeting on December 18th at 10:30 a.m. Now, as you guys know, Golden Nugget online gambling is a casino. Now they're running an online gambling website to where millions of people are deciding to gamble online. We all know why people can't go to the casino anymore, so the only option is to go online. Since 2 years ago, ever since online gambling has been approved, the first company that went public was DraftKings. So everyone thinks that Golden Nugget is going to do the same thing that DraftKings did when they went public on Robinhood, which is skyrocket straight to the moon. And I believe that Golden Nugget is going to do the same thing. In fact, Golden Nugget online gambling has already doubled since last year. Let's see. In 2020, third quarter, they made $28.9 million. That is an increase of 93%, almost doubling, 93% compared to $14.9 million of the same quarter last year in 2019. That is a 92% growth year over year. Now, online gambling is not going to come to a slow, steady halt at all. It's going to completely explode in the near future, especially once each individual states approve online gambling. They just not approve across all of the Americas yet, but eventually, if these states want to start making money by taxing these casinos or taxing the online gamblers, they will. That'll be an easy way for states to start making money. If they don't want to legalize marijuana, they'll legalize online gambling and make money that way through the state. Now, online gambling is only going to explode in the near future. In fact, by the year 2027, online analysts already said that online gambling will 8x by the year 2027. But I believe that it's going to 10x by the year 2027 for sure, especially if we're getting in early on these plays now. But let me go ahead and pull up Thinkorswim so you guys can see the setup that I'm going to show you guys in my next entry points. Yes, it's not too late to enter this company. This is a $100 company within the next year or so. So let me show you guys my entry points so that you could probably do the same things too. Remember to do your own research, but I'm going to tell you guys my setup. So let's go ahead and dive into it. All right, here we are, dreamers. Here we are on Thinkorswim. This is the TD Ameritrade platform that I use to sell stocks. So this is when LCA first announced that they're going to be merging with Golden Nugget Online Gambling. And of course, the stock shot straight up from that news right there. And like how we're going to do the Airbnb IPO, once Airbnb go live, it's going to shoot up. Well, that's a whole nother video topic. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that one. But once it announced who's it's merging with, it's going to skyrocket up. And then it's going to 100% without a doubt pull back to the 180-day simple moving average green line. And that's going to be our second entry point. If you don't believe me, let me show you guys SBE right quick. That's another one that I told you guys about. SBE. It shot up, and then it did pull back to the 180-day simple moving average line. That will be our second time that we buy in, and then it shot up again. So let's go back to LCA. Here we are, and it pretty much traded in this channel right here with a little support and resistance line right there, and a support and resistance lines right here. Right, so it traded in this channel anywhere from $18 and $11 for a couple of months, ever since June all the way to December. It traded in this channel, so it went up, it touches the $18 price point, and it touches the $11 price point. So it touched the $11 price point once right here. So that is the support line right there. And then it could not break above $18 for a couple of days or a week or so. So that's the resistance point right there. And it came all the way back down to the support. It has a hard time falling below. So that's the support line. And then went all the way back up above to the old resistance lines, and then it broke. When it breaks the old resistance, it becomes the new support. So it shot up and it pulled all the way back to its old support, and it bounced off of it like a dime. There you go. It bounced off of 18 and shot all the way back up. Now, this is going to be our entry points right here. LCA is at $23.38 at the time of the recording of this video. Now, if no news come out until December 18th and it keeps shooting up, we're just gonna wait for a pullback and get in at a good price point. But if it stays like this and it does have a pullback, our entry point is gonna be right here at $22. Our next entry point is gonna be right here at 1975, 73-ish, right there. And then our last entry point, if it pulls all the way back to 17. So if it pulls back to this line right here, I'm gonna buy a couple of shares, maybe 5 shares. If it pulls back to this line, I'm planning on buying 10 shares. If it pulls all the way back to the $18 price point, I'm gonna try to buy 20 shares. So every time that it breaks down to one of our buying points, this is when we're gonna pick up more shares at a cheaper price. We don't wanna pick up 20 shares at $22. We wanna pick up 20 shares right here at its old resistance line, because you know it has a hard time falling below this $17 price point, $18 price point. It's gonna have a hard time falling below that price. So if it falls down to that price, we want to pick up 20 shares at 18, not 20 shares at 22. And that's how we're gonna make money off this play if it does have a pullback waiting on the news for December 18th. So that's the only way that it's gonna have a pullback, is just because we're sitting around waiting on the news until December 18th. But if more news come out beforehand, it's gonna shoot up. I'll make another video on how we're gonna make even more money off of that. But since we're already in at $13 from you guys subscribing to this channel, if it shoot up, that's us making money. And then we're gonna take some off the top and wait for a pullback, and then we're gonna make even more money at a better entry price. Hit a thumbs up for that big brain play right there. You guys got some big brains right there, yeah. So there we go, dreamers. I just gave you guys 3 entry plays on LCA, Golden Nugget online gambling. This stock will 10x in the near future because gambling is addictive. It's so addictive to the point to where you have to have a hotline to help your friend out. I know if something's that addictive, it's gonna make money. It's gonna make money in the near future, and it's gonna 10x by the year 2027 for sure, for sure, for sure. But we're making money now. We don't have time to wait that long in the future. But make sure that you guys subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell. That is the most important thing that you could do. We're around 3,600 notification people out there. I love you guys a lot. Really appreciate it. Let's get that to 5,000 so I can do a giveaway on this channel for you guys for being such awesome subscribers. But other than that, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.